Here's how you can change your Instagram account to a personal account. So if you are using a business account or a professional account for a while and you have changed your mind and want to switch back to personal account, the steps are very easy. Open up Instagram and tap on profile and three bars on the top right and go for settings and privacy. Once you are in, you just have to search for account type, or if you don't want to search, you can simply scroll down until you see account types and tools. And as you can see on the top, account type, switch to professional mode. Like I have already switched back to my personal account, so you just have to tap on switch back to personal account, which will be on the top in place of switch to professional account. So you just have to tap on that and you just have to confirm all the things and something like that. And once you do that, you just have to go back and see if this worked or not. So hope this helped. This is how you can change your Instagram account to personal account.